Mosquito habitats are all around us, and with a citizen science kit from your library, you can help identify these habitats and document the mosquitoes in your community.
Before we dive in, you'll need 3 quick things. First, wear long sleeves and insect repellent containing DEET to avoid bug bites. Next, create a free account on the SciStarter website. Third, download and log in to the free Globe Observer app on your phone. Now you're ready to dive in. With the Mapping Mosquito Habitats Kit from your library, find a spot with a water source, either natural or artificial, like an old tire or bucket, that may contain mosquito larvae. Read through the instructions and snap a photo of the habitat as you begin. Using the supplied container and bulb syringe, take a sample and count the number of mosquito larvae. Select one larva and take a closer look under the kit's magnification tool. Photograph an up-close look of the larva using the magnification tool and your smartphone. Prevent future mosquito breeding at the site by dumping the water if possible. Upload your photos and observations into the Globe Observer app to contribute to the ongoing research.
Your research is valuable and will assist scientists tracking the range and spread of mosquitoes and mosquito-borne diseases. Inside your Globe app, there's even more opportunities to explore. Dive into those to keep the research going.